In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jira automation to notify your team about blocked issues. Managing workflows efficiently in Jira can be a game changer for your team's productivity, and setting up automatic notifications for blocked issues is a great way to keep everyone informed and on the same page. Let's dive in and set up this automation step by step. First, you'll want to head over to your Jira project's settings. Within the settings, look for the section called Automation. This is where we will be creating our rule. Once you're in the automation section, you'll see an option to create rule. Click on that and you'll be starting the process that will help streamline your notifications in Jira. For the rule to work, we need to begin by setting a trigger. In this case, you'll select Issue Linked as your trigger. This step ensures that our rule will be activated whenever an issue is linked to another issue. Since we're focusing specifically on blocked issues, you'll want to configure this trigger to activate when issues are linked with the blocks link type. This way, any blocked issue will automatically trigger the rule we're setting up. With the trigger in place, the next part of the process is to set an action. We're going to use the send email action to ensure that your team members are notified promptly about blocked issues. This action is central to the rule as it's what actually informs your team of the update. It's important to specify who should receive these email notifications. Under email recipients, you can choose specific team members or entire groups that need to stay informed about these blocked issues. Careful selection here ensures that the right people get the information they need when they need it. Now let's talk about what's inside those emails. You want to include relevant information in the email content. This might be things like the issue key, the summary, and who is involved, helping recipients understand the context and urgency of the blocked issue immediately. Once you've set everything up, you'll see an option at the top right saying Turn on Rule. Clicking this option will prompt you to enter a name for your rule, make it descriptive so it's easily identifiable later. Additionally, you'll need to choose who can edit this rule from a drop-down list. This could range from only yourself to anyone on the team, depending on how you manage permissions in your Jira project. Finally, one more click on Turn on Rule activates everything, setting your automation rule live. And there you have it. Your team will now receive timely notifications about blocked issues, helping them prioritize and manage workflows more effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this automation as useful as we do.